how to drop a pin in Google Maps. Let's walk through exactly how to drop a pin in Google Maps. If this quick guide helps you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. So here we are inside the Google Maps app. There are tons of reasons why you might need to drop a custom pin. Maybe you're trying to navigate to a specific spot that doesn't have an exact street address, or a friend recommended a cool hidden gem you want to save for later. Whatever the reason, I've got you covered step by step. To get started, simply drag your finger across the screen to pan around the map. You can pinch your fingers together to zoom out and get a broader view of where you want to look. Once you've found a general area, I highly recommend zooming in by placing 2 fingers on the screen and spreading them apart. Getting up close makes it so much easier to be perfectly precise, which is crucial if you're trying to get accurate driving or walking directions. Now, when you've found the exact spot, keep in mind that a quick tap isn't going to do the trick. The pin won't drop. The secret is to press and hold your finger directly on the location just for a second. Now, boom, your red pin will drop right where you held your finger. Once the pin is placed, a menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen, giving you a few handy options. From here, you can pull up instant directions, hit save to keep it in your list for future reference if you click on it right here. And you can also add a custom label so you remember what it is, or even share the exact location with someone else. And that's it. That is how you're going to drop a pin in Google Maps. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.